He is a critical thinker. Abraham Ben Moshe. Common sense family. All right. Okay, yeah. He was born a Muslim, but you know not his vision. Footballer, and so I to hope a Christian. As I did in a titty to a mission. On also a country of visit on your politician. Indiana, a different rabbi, and a pastor Lee. As I'm no Fabio Mokin Kaya only competition. Osaka Casa would go be Bengali. Unyankupo Ishrano Biti or occupation. That's it, I can't help this them be by you know. Or don't put it in Pano, so you know the ball. The more you hear. So you know, you better stop, because I'm people don't be anymore. If you get to know what is sorry, I branches. Because I'm not on your papa tiger, I am not Lucy. Mr. Brabona, you will be our free choices. It's the moon thing as here, as any of them come at you. When you got no ati, then I know punches. As of what time the papa said, was every chances. At the end of the day, again,
yeah, can do spirit. Yeah, Charlie. Yeah, Eric, live. Eric, you were live. Why? Yeah, watch your coffee. Yeah, yes, so why? Yes, so yeah, Godfrey, that's it. Hey, Jeffrey. Perfect. Yeah, I wish you have Patrobana was share video na my why. Pauchopa, mo share video na Charlie Indian Komo Kakra. Why? CSF. Hello. Me Facebook live. We are me from why? Yeah, I wish you phone. Yeah, but you share video no my. Share video no my. Yeah, Kweku appear. Charlie, 10 times. Medina. Yo, I wish you for Madam CSF. Mechi amu nyina. Yeah, Cantona White me hu. Yeah, na the king. Madam nyina ase. Em say Madam nyina ase CSF for. Na mechi amu nyina mama mu nyina akwaba. E dey aba page so especially empanyinfo amohwe ne menuanom youth no especially youth bi a we ya dey positive e dey ama ho na we ya adwumaden mebo abaso bia wo hye bia ene mo a mu debate spread message obi okron frame me da de bia meka be damo ase papa obi okron frame me krada ya minata okay yeah okay obi okron frame me da oh so sister Barbara welcome yeah lawyer ba for Bonnie welcome yeah lawyer ba for Bonnie me damo ase pa obi on frame me krada nso said you see fast spreading message no ne ade o ye de aboa movement no say nya me avram na wo boa me na emum o boa ye man Ghana na o man no afa ne tuma pefra de bia me ka se me bre isufo se mo value adwuma na me ye CSF ye na you say future generations will come and value what we are doing ti be chia mu nyina ma mu nyina akwaba de pa ne se o man ne be ye say ne ye hu budget no yɛsrɛ mpanyimfoɔ deɛ mo abɛka no mundi mu dwuma ɛno ane yɛhia ɛnyɛ de bia sɛ mobɛba na mo abɛbridi budget akeka nsɛm akɛseɛ just to deceive the ear and the brain na monyɛ nti apamokyɛw budget no deɛ yɛhu deɛ mo aka nyina no yɛate yɛsrɛ mo a yɛate abrɛ yɛpamokyɛw yeah Francis Do welcome papistic wɔn nti apamokyɛw mpanyimfoɔ mo abɛkasa yɛate mo mmɔden na free SHS no mo hu deɛ mbɛyɛ na ɛbɛyɛ yie school feeding program mo de aba no deɛ mpɛ sɛ mo yɛ bia mo nyɛ na nyɛ yie yɛate sɛ mo se mo de dam hodoɔ bɛba yɛate yɛtwɛn mo biebie dam no one district one factory yɛhwɛ mo nim ka akwan hodoɔ mbɛyɛ farming ne adeɛ yɛate yɛsrɛ mo nyɛ ne yɛnyɛ adwuma nyɛ yɛda mo nyina ase nti ɛma sɛ bɛkɔ so no announcement ketewa bi wɔ yɛpɛ sɛ ɛkɔ TV so yɛsrɛ mo a adeɛ bia no kwankyɛ adeɛ fɛ yɛde sika na ɛyɛ yɛpɛ sɛ ɛkɔ TV so yɛsrɛ mo CSF foɔ mo mɛboa ebi no start yɛ contribute kakrakra yɛwɔ group ɛwɔ Telegram app ne yɛfɛ ne Telegram no WhatsApp ɛmfa ndru 500 but Telegram na yɛ unlimited nti mo bɛ join ne Telegram no sɛ download Telegram no o download Telegram na wa send me message say send me the link na the link na ma na wa join na ya wo apɛ sɛ ɔboa TV program be betumi afrɛ me me number no 0244856241 o frɛ me na wa bɛ support why ha yɛ ngis kan ko boa nyankopɔn adwuma da bi yɛ mboa nyame adwuma no yɛ pɛ mmoa ɛma message no akɔ TV so me die hia me yɛ maame ɛne yɛ papa nom ɔmo gu akurase no ɛne hia me ne nuanom a ɔmo ni access to the internet because yɛ wo internet so nipa kakra bi wɔn data to ne bundle to ɛba TV so deɛ nya ne 3 months esi TV so say king na me ya say message ya be ya TV stations ye gu Ghana ha any media houses eku message nim say message betumi asesa oman no enso say be ma platform e na aka nti misremo me maka say support na mbakra me ka na kra meton me hwa to December January support wa mbape me time me ka na maton na me akoto airtime because me minim say I was sent for a purpose. I know what I'm doing. And when you know my time, my obiano. I know my purpose in creation. Discover yourself and discover who you are. Adebe your passion, what passion wo hono genie. We ye at the pabe free muaba. Timisramu na yam wanti pamcho TV support no ehia rough ehia papa Ghana for your performance ma too much and now ya de we too much and now de we ni size minimum say mini size na mo be na wo de boa na message na du akire so what ya say ntime pa mo cha Ghana for fans ne doso won ya so furu duapa e na epian se mo say eduapa e na ya furu dia mo mpia ne enko yanim why mesremu ebia wo UK ebia wo Spain wo Canada wo outside Ghana wo access to the internet wo de why enlightened we bia wo third eye na ma me o she krase ne a wo send ni ska na de akoba for de na so ye ne den ti mesremu o man ni ye yenti ene ye ni abre me pamu nyina achew na ye ntumi mboa o man Ghana na ope ensu papa no mo Paradise Park mineral water ye nua baby jet nsi no de aba no Paradise Park mineral water bibia benye biato open dudu etu a from number no why na yamo Paradise Park ni bi omo ne plastic one omo ne sachet one so na de bia me ka kire mo say me platform we so obi biara oya de papa no black forget we know why do no obi biara oya de papa bi no ye be support na wa ha ye nua medical ene Chris Waddle e de enwum foforo aba ye King Kong na omu premier enyom no e was Silver Bed 25th November 2018 omu premier enyom no ticket no wo hia bia na wa frɛ me 0244856241 o frɛ me na bobenya ticket ne bi 25th 9 p.m. e wa Accra mo Silver Bed yen ko support ye nuanom no medical ene Waddle ena t-shirt ne ba bi na me hye no omu t-shirt ene t-shirt ne bi ne quality t-shirt pa 100 Ghana t-shirt ni to be ye bia bedu t-shirt yanko support ye no na enwom no enye successful why me de order ade pa ba be promote the amount ye o have for ade pa am say Waddle so aye ade mebo na ba so o you to motivate you o me bi num support ni ade enti besramo na yentumi mboa na program no enye successful afei amazing business Aim Global Alliance in Motion Global meduma me ya no N50 Ghana cedis up to 2000 Ghana cedis a day. Amazing business. Yes, I wonderful product. A product me catch them. O person will join Aim Global and once WhatsApp me, send me the business information. Send me the business information. Na me dey send we hwe wi a. Oh, Collins Asante Collins Asante mechia big ups ejumaden bedase yenyina e baako bedam ase ne mo ejuma pa mo so mo ye Collins Asante bedase pa ne o fire o utro ne punchlines tiamna so be WhatsApp nam dia say no your product we e man no me pa mo chew ye nuan mo man no ahemfie no mu siesie ho why wo pe so mo obi odi we one dance ya Pablo Gonzalez goes and the wife bole ondi mo agro eni sister Bridget wo dia bisa no enya de ketwa why fesiesie ahemfie ho e mo ho che kama won na boa any infection e mo ho che nice any why any wo masculine wash for men man o pese mu ye den na increase in size kakra so any kama eno na ye use a man ma ye fans sa wow na apostle ko Joseph ye papa baako be teacher man the quantum pendant na ni quantum pendant bi na da mensa no happy black so agene de goza agene de bracelet agene de any why da wonsa why for radiation besramu ye phone ye use laptop ne ade obi wifi no de ahye ni bottom phone ye fa nhye ye pocket you bra obeku be ma obenya low sperm count e man bi mobile phone no de ahye no for ho one day me treat lesson on radiation we yem be show why nti anu su ni ene ye wotofe alliance emotion we tofe for nkoda won ebo mu adwen no the brain the eye the heart sugar level ni ade na eni why eni e tofe for nkoda but e organic sugar be anim e plant no de fa ni stevia ena man na sweet kakra nti medam ngina ase ye product na e bebre kakra na meka ho asem de hia papa quantum pendant no e bia ba US ena e bi wo Canada nti wo US ana wo Canada ubenye bi why ubenye bi nti wo frɛ me na me de number na ma US ena Canada for quantum pendant ena mo wo Dubai for ne percent CSF e be establish wo ho ye create WhatsApp group for Dubai for nko a Dubai for penti wo Dubai a na say WhatsApp me add me to the Dubai group na yam plan na ye me fire wo Dubai me da mo say and that program no topic number 2 this say know your level ebusuya nature in its all sense mo friend nyankopon no wambo ade nyina pepepe obia one level bibia nti obia no ho ofe ye obia ne ho otan ye obia onimu ade ye obia wabon ye obia na no ate ye obia na no nti nature no out of no any intelligence and ye nsa me pacha quantum pendant no any country outside Ghana na opese wotobi na woton so afre me e beti so ama 200 Ghana but to ne dodo aye beti so ama ye be ma 150 Ghana na ya sa che 2 e de oto 10 na ya ma 2 kan 10 bia wonya 2 for free wo apese obetu koton no wo any country na wo so fa business kakra ntimpa mo chew nipa nyina nyepe nti de mesra ne se nipa bia no ade ba ko bo se who level awo ehia me papa because my ben friends my ben emma binom my ben me namfofo bi ma tena area bi a me study sade no my border me who musicians no ne ade in life who said there is time for everything se wondru level bi a menua mempre wo ho na youth na ya bande no eni brenti ya pre ye ho too much ya pre ye ho dodo eda na me ka kire mo se me besra wo hwe me first no na me say iPhone mempe me na wo ma me iPhone na because level am me wo no na enye iPhone level ye dru level e be use no eni eno na de ne ho bai ya mpre ye ho o level e wo se wo fro trotro minia trotro nim me nko fro dropping me nko gu ani nwani wase na ne taxi driver enkoko e wo dropping we fair no oje na enkoko ntokwa ye wo mo stop taxi a otene mu a laboni oni ano oduru laboni ape na obisa driver what is my bill pa na wetua hozlaman te say wo hozlaman fa wo trotro din na tua o 3 cd na kokosi wo cycle Jobens enipa enime ni munyamti wakwakofa dropping mudru na driver charge wa afi na obeka cheso oye malafaka say inti kurusel level amewo in life hwe abrabo awo bono menua hwe youth no muntie hwe wanim na hwe bochi eye akai bebia wo free brother efie nya woti wo sesi an wonya asem ade obeka bia ma akra wo nibi wo so wo na wanu empenyinisam ne ayesem ne akakabensem abrawunya problem kra ni pobeba police station be belu kra woni bi timesra wo eye trotro level na wo atna wo trotro mu weduru taxi level atna wo taxi mu weduru uber level fa uber weduru level abetumi rent car e dia ko programs rent car fe ko programs weduru level e wo se woto we picanto to picanto tina sa akode ka se me ma kpoza to picanto na tinem weduru Corolla atna Corolem weduru Range Rover atna Range Rover ya life ya level mem prego no level na wo no Infinix any Tecno ya wo Infinix ni bia me kuta we iPhone 6s plus afina nyanko obade adom obi ato iPhone X e be chemi ena me sen kura Tecno Zero na me hwe phones too na me Tecno Zero ne kura no me ni je ho kura chen iPhone no me ni je Tecno Zero ne ho ye wo Tecno phones e wo wa we phones bi o ho a me no ye wo use a kama picture quality edem ebi ni brese adwoa ekura iPhone X intimeso meto iPhone X eye ni bre unduru kwa ha ho ni pe one ne kwa challenge ya wo hwe na bra ba wo suyen ne kosuan fo nyine gu abrochire na mpese ote ase minister baye wadamfo phone okura upese otobi na ye be ye na how mu level me brother me atade akura me ntobi o atade me ntobi me dame office brother me dame office 1 year me talka na me dame office am team na me chemu tu na me dey hire me office bra na obade adomo a me nyeska na me dame office na me hire dan ba akon na me dey ma me ma no me dey ma me ma na me ma ni dey me ma ni ya baby dan no still na me dame office kakra ba me nsem ma beji chamber hall me nyansiesie mu wie ba me dem sa me mpada form me TV kura sense from D me bo me bra me ni obi I am not in competition with anybody. I am not living my life to impress anybody. I am not showing off. O yo oba na oba me dem na ade a wo hia na bi ni kwa o mpa me akọ enya force oba na o me level no beba oba ono so nya fomu obeda no beba ni ada fomu ho pe me small get me na video bi me twen da nyankopọ be hire nipa me nya bibi papa atena no na me video na kire mo oba be nya botere na ebra me da me office mu obeda me nchen me da ghetto obeda me nchen no sa wo ba na me ne bebo brother ache entra wa unim sel o level awwe e ye ghetto mu na o so da o pete ma new town tabodan nim wo ji ghetto bi anu wada hodin omo mu da tabodan mu no mu so ye nipa e ye level onye nduru trazako amoni mbre trazako everything na ka kwaje eduru o malam ne je o 1005 di no malam ne ka say ye mobile money na bra eyi north eni brenti wo 1005 no wo invest ya within 1 year unim sika nka de benya o tie nyum keke shatawale nyum no boy know your level no wan boy nyum no know your level keke enyum ne kura message men tie nyum ensa I know my level. What is your level? Maybe say wan kasa wo gina wa wo so ye SM fan na wo ni mo level no maybe say level be na wo mema no kwa me ka kira mo emma no ye wondidi so ye wo emma hustlers ne date wo ye wo emma ghetto boys ne date wo ye wo emma celebrities ne date wo no kra ba akopɛ brother level awo no wo do wa asem wo kɔ wan so oba ban onya no ye oba bi okɔ otwam na hu na atum se we anya me type accept fact and money be be anya so be ma on say boy na dompe wo on so eja ti de be me ka kire emma ne se munya yi ni bre no emma no ye oba bi wo a why na adwen se be ma owo ka nko no be deti entu friend ne kasape na we bi sa se be pa achew wo ka na car which car you use car no obi sa say car be na we use just so no kra no enya car keke open machine adem wo hie niba 23 years woni wo maame no papa neda mafia 23 years woni wo maame adwoa mansa akua ya magi 23 years woni wo maame no papa neda onyo ho anwenfo ba enya John guy bi ote bicycle so a oye hard working a obetumi ahwew wompe di okra range ena o fra no wa dampo a o fra no wa katew no be ko gina so dem say ewurade enhirawo no be ma bi wo a wudi nachi wa wunim say enye wo level e na manfo hwo mo level no obi so level 200 obi so level 400 e simple as ABC we wie JHS wo maame o hie niba ye pre school bi ye onwanfu school de wakwa wo ti wasa wo padi Sada college yakọ hwe de o kire wo maame no papa ntumi afford ya menua ko free SHS ni bisa wate na sunyade learn menya ho ani ye wie school no boy no oti be de echi no okọ adisadel obi confanteman obi kwa achimota enti by all means oseme so me kwa achimota ni adisadel brother mesrawo menua be ma menua ba hwe hu level awowo enye by force kobo ye border betra ye day student we sunya de enya good grades eche obi kra okọ school ye bu mo first class no so what bra from menua ba the dame catch them wo yoba especially a man pentinamentomfo no susu ye makeups no menka se makeup ye boni bi anim makeup ya nkasa wa unim se makeup ye wo ndi so ye wo ehiafo makeup ene esikafo makeup wig aye hye ye wo ehiafo wig ene esikafo wig wote ho be bia wo beda kra ye den sika o de beto credit mpo de bia o borrow credit wa MTN for ma MTN for number 1 credit borrow customer ye ma the best credit borrower of the year won ye de be ma credit kora bobosia upe wig 2000 ashe akoshe nails 500 Ghana aye makeups ya o man penyin yire kora nya menua ba this is witchcraft with degree beyi awasaje medal your baby okra ho ofekra dadan ha ho kra ni makeups fa powder keke fa wanim keke powder na to wani echi kakra na to wano kakra na ko why your money bi owa mu ye makeups a mu senre dodo mu senre fifreti oba nka se na nka be pa wanim fifreti wa se na pepa yenim e ma no because of makeup nti enie fifreti na no wa yesi because oye ni si colors ni betu abom obeka say de oye print printing oye t-shirt printing aden de empesa oti ase ne se bibia wo level sraw minua young boy sraw fe no wa sha brabwase ye starting ya kakransa won sa medical to say meje me kakra wa me pa ya boy ye kakra be she ho na me dia boy ya to ano first me mpa ya boy because me kwa kobo busia na wo obebo busia no wa pa ya boy me ni boy bi wo okom de boy yi o she zongo he ya o mechi zongo wo kom de no wetie ne hwene wetie na so mienu na de so nya anka ne nikosia na kra no o de asomade be wura ne nikosia ne ma ne pie ne tiko adan bra unsu okomedo na wo kobo busia na wetue waso na wasa twioto na ne nantie bi ode ba no tu se busia nya de obetua nantie ro ka chese busia na oje awafa abrabo no eye in stages at times kura no hwe you don't need to show off oh yes sir who attract enemies edipa you woni pendi so enye sasebe anko bi nye president no bi nye minister no bi ntontos no bi obi sebe obi nso toilet sebe no bi nso toilet no bi ntra toilet da ho no bi nye mochreman no bi nye nurse no bi nye engineer no bi nye fitter je woni pendi so eni adwuma ndi so enti know your level but value your worth but level bi awo no your friend be self esteem bu ji hu tum say e ya so level no be proud of who you are a rich person is someone who is content with what he has. Say ukra yam na yam phone na ukra no when je ho a you are more happier in life than someone with iPhone X Max as still opefofro. Be content with what you have. Obi kura yam once so to media call Facebook hemfa no ho WhatsApp hemfa no ho sa level no wo So opre hu bebrebe. The publisher we important. Yellow Yusuf. Saying me wa live me Facebook live we am check me who says ke bia ba we are why. Be that say. To me sram life na level. Muma yem prayer hu we wiase ewiase hwe ewiase na wo opre wo hu ubewu akọ na bi da so te ho. The sram yem yanom gas here. They be out per car front to atna, upo bi car front to antra. Remember the be use swap park we see what the yan say. Per obi a obetumi ahwe obeti wase obet door for who you are. Never enter into a relationship with the idea say akwa ne be wale me. Sebi imprebiasa. Any young na beto social media mo say medical any sister Debbie we jano hono. Sister Debbie di shedi trimu say menene nante na wawale mi a we bu ne kwasia date say we are dating or wale mi a fine wan wale mi a fine because e wundi diso ye wo level bi ani pani duru a enti na bebre ubeka say footballer bi na obobo ebre obobo no no date gay we onye ska ekwa abrochire bae no wakofo ba we eye logic eye normal, that is life. Men ka say yenye sa Debbie men ka say woni obi sha brabo ase na eduru ba bia yinima, but under normal circumstances that is life. Yo obi okro oba one nenam no oba ne nte brofo oba no anko school oba ne nte brofo ono obayi na ebre yete polygamy ase a ankasa bema no nyanko pon ye na do no obeye president ya ontumi mfo oba no nte brofo no eni nechi ajo onyu oba ote brofo to onye university bibi no wale na kan ho a o ye sel na yere na emom o ko bebi abrofo se bebe mu a no de wako school ne ko mo na mo se mo wale ba ko mo mfa one problem no, that's it. We are set a level and I value your worth and I never look down upon anyone. With that, never look down upon anyone, because no matter the level I will be one, no matter the level I will be one, or your importance to society. Say what will Range Rover, who your bank manager, who your minister, now boo. Say we get man anyway. Made no wo fie ho no omu ni ho a wo yire na wo bu ne princess no ontumi ye made adwuma no ana wo ankasa wo ntumi nye gate man adwuma enti no matter your level I will say o respect those who are down and are serving you who say almost they are their level fa wo bu ne mo wo kra Range Rover why ye wo kuta better car e da wo benya running stomach. Now be call public toilet. Udru what na public toilet run say. Me na me public toilet na no. Ma pon with all due respect for who being coffee a. Ho na be un say sana de o public toilet na no wo nchen no. Na mom obi a won level. Wo usika hye wo ho. Wo ko na wo chaleti, wo mpaboati. E na wo hia shoe shine. Wo friend shoe shine no say ma pon. Sa da no and about the value of the shoe shine. It never look down upon anyone. Never look down upon yourself. Say ye me ton ade or market. Ye force na me ton. Mini mebre o mo ton ade or traffic mu e ya no more dodge. No, don't hide. Jiwenim me maton sundro. E wo bas muda. At that time I knew that was my level. Me who said that was my level. Until I respected what I was doing. Na me tumi wura bas mu ekoton di wema na me classmate ya minima de channel o she coat abotai not trotro ni sa bre no na me ton sundro no me ton one boxer me nya 50 Ghana one box a day na me ton 6 me nya 300 Ghana a day di wema me nya 300 Ghana a day Ghana adwuma dodo sen e bi etia 300 Ghana a day. Know your level, value what you are doing, don't look down upon yourself. Your mate for bi ho obafro we trotro no na de buafu adentia na adwin na kire ne se mate adwuma no enye adwuma papa hwe ye webinum no enne no modern celebrities enne no modern sikafo omo kire won kwase adwuma sabe omo ye anso maduru sa level na we be hyew. Know your level, value your worth. Memo be look down upon you because who you made. Don't let anybody look down upon you because who your house help. Don't let anybody insult you. No, value yourself. Una best one a baller, or new question did you attempt? Who free choice, who are right? Or new question did you attempt? Okay, cancer and phone. No. To fight for your right and value who you are. But when you say we are say, Ubia on a level. Won't do level you su iPhone X and pray with him. What it? Minuaba man. Why? Munjai challenge a call. Why? Ya one way through weekend, no more cramo, echo didi. Ya one way through weekend, Amoko Kempiski and Amagua. Sade friend, Kempiski, may hot means you becoming do hot because of the national team 9 you could do what. One cry, on my real mama maybe an age, main call. Well, level, your leveler. Mamma no tongue conte with Chiron, blue kiosk, no, a horn was here call. Oh, when you again, no call, Monco Boom conte, no rea betia, no mundi tuna bear. Ujiko conte 2 city mana. Waji tuna 3 city. When dia when yai, that's the level. A drew time and beko papaya and beko. A drew Kempiski time and amoko. Men ko deti bema. Wa wo hwe bema ya. Bema niski adiko Kempiski. What is a wadam for bia ko hoda wadam for catch us say e ko no ensa boarding. E ko no what is say e ko niam boarding no e na onyanfo ba no. Yeah, goja. But for money box man. Hwe me throw challenge. Money box challenge. Ye be so 31st December. Obi pay money box. Ma feeling no. Yeah. And they am about 200 Ghana. How they try? The first can year investment. If you go obi be no. Try. What also many more ye Febra wo bre ewia share wo kantamanto. O pon na this cage nyam akoma gay. Wo ma meet you kurase. O temba ya latte sa avram you too much. What they try? Oh money box. The body man we me girlfriend you. Me girlfriend here, me body ma pampi. What me bra baby so no me kind live e dey akere mo. Now, what dem pay money box. Now dey now, pay wo ba wo ye o level obete wase. Oba wo ba wo wa obeka say kwabena. Me see, yeah, wait, money box challenge. Yeah, ye be so 31st December. Obi am pay the guy be dey so dey akere me. Na wasan cover. 31st ye be so. Ye we 31st year started up to the end of 2019. Now hwe sika be save. Who 2 city kure gu ma the whole year a day who sika benya. You tayaba ne yam planning. Wo command order. Fair biane wo fom ndi identi. Ya nero nana keda ku Emmanuel money box challenge pa. Money box challenge. What it? Ge ya wakofe anya level. Onso bisa ofo na abu afu. Anya level. Nti forgetting no. Na pe wonwenfuo bi ba. Why? Say eto na wo pa ye wan anwenfuo ni bia omusu kurato ne saa obenya wo level na nante din empre wo ho menua empre wo ho na ho level a wo na ba ko meka kire mo ne say hwe limit the amount of friends you have. Be a good one. Be good friends. Open ye panka. We have one best friend. Asa. I will bet me keep you secret. Nipa nyo. And you will be answering. But omo benya access to you, to know things about you, to know your secret. No momye nipa kakrebi. When take it time. Shebra nipa bre answer wa achieve fame. So when take it time. Obe bra achieve fame. Essence when keeping with secret until one day will be the beba form. Especially who you celebrate you are very careful. You don't makai kojo third eye. Kojo third eye. On one funny life in dia grow, kojo third eye mi tu chama or talim. On funny life in dia grow. Oh gross will be the phone, will be the camera be able to privacy. Oh, kasa wo nipa mu ahwe wano. Oh, ya call. Wo phone so a hwe call na wo ya no. Mesi nipa beg na amanfo phone we call recorder. Oh, frey ya no was start recorder. Oh, frey no was start recorder. No we keep it. What it? To be very careful, especially who you celebrity. And that's one thing I like about Shatta Wale. Wale. Never be all your own tenancy or yet the protected home and yes, I'll be good anymore. Sa gidi patapadi ni ohun until Wale na kasa oben na usuro onu bodyguard crash slap now One yes sir, people will take you for granted and disgrace you. Tiafra baby, pose as a friend, act as a spy. Pose as a friend, act as a spy. Yet sad downfall, but still be a spy. So, would the Juma show be inside? Man, Jenny did too much. What were done for Crown, what done for the bang, were too much here. Man, a warning. Me madam from the Coba de Bia. Or mention the Biambondi goes on. Negire, send me for phone po a bisat, na see one a year or adding. Adding. We are madam for a mayoring your down for. I mean, if ye, no one come back shed them, the mayor shed them. For what? Ade, oh, Jediabra. When take it time, one day we are done for you. Oh, by ya, open there, open day. Oh, Charlie, mammy, origin, you be where you origin, you see her. Or balance way is man off. Mononum TV, Mononum TV. And so far when you super go say Agombia. And ya dear what planet, no I down for Girari. And a mua, Memana mua, Sabi, Monim wa down for nom air no edda. When you are down for girlfriend edda, meaning say ye Jimmy. Emma bebrebe buya ebinim ponya boys yi anne wo babesi akono wote see no wabo break na chirim futuro echen aponche wo stop taxi kra no obegina emma ebui wa down for yere minu abema eye beyi anase jimie na haw tell me to say wo bia kwakofa na nyonko yere obi ni obi yere da minim say jimio wonu oba kra kasa me wo boy ama wo yemu nhim na gya no mane nko wonu obi kasa no aka so wo me wo boy asa afen na terms yaba oh I'm talking about you, I'm not talking about your boy. Wonu me no kasa start open up, you know. Ade wo jedien bra wo jedien emba bebrebe Ghana for outside e believe to be top products wo me ho omo top products ya no mo say afran fe ko hia meyere me nko da na me di asoma the driver say ko hia no mo hia wo we akramo na fe ma no o kine bi me mfa de nko wura obi fie ma na yere be kase ma be repi no na me matanfo doso we wura fie ho wo ko ya na obe ya ko fre police we be repi me wa ba ji case enim guase asoa obi anye smart. Don't be a thief. Don't be a scammer. But be smart. Agina anya juma body nebre. When take it time. Obi be settle trap. Egu eni mwasi. Guy be free. Outside Ghana buy. No, so Avram, I want to come and meet you. Let me see problem be any. No, so be meet me anopa 9. Anopa 9 mantenenka. No, friend, oh meeting. Anaju be ye 9. Anaju 9. Me kwa kwa phone nesu. Oh Avram. Min share way. Let me see anaju 9. So the United States impone ebremia for US. Or I am committing that. I don't joke with my life. Me family life in Diagro, me catch them, open up to people, but learn how to keep your secret because your secret is your power. Your secret is your power. Ye bibia ne yeka. Ye bibia ne yeka. You are saying you are yankan ya down for. Ye yirimpo. Bema na nnetina nyini ni. Wo ya bema wa kwentuom wo yire wo Ghana ha wo yo babesia wo wa kwentuom ukuru wo Ghana ha hwe ema ne bi mema ne bi muntie oba bi ho wo Ghana ha se ni kuru no wa brochi senis ka se adwo ato asase a na fa midin ya no oba no odin aye ejapade bia no oba ne din aye bema ye fast me tu bema bia fo hwe court wa wale men wale bi da me na me ka me kire mo eye trap me na me ka kire mo mema no court wa wale no men wale bida yo ye serious trap ye fie die ya munya mukente bia je montoma you go ya petition ya ye hira so wono wo yire nkonko bobra wonim di wuti ko wura wale bim benu nkra so be wiase amma bebrebe bui guys me ko to friends Avram Pacho say Ghana for no bi catch us on payire ya wo ho wai e man ne bu timi nua Jai bra, Jai sa Jimmy no, obire. Ni kunu ni Ghana na wo no. Ade ni bre ben fra no. No be cano. That marriage will finish you. Call to our lay. Atu ya mamra to atwene ne ye no. Je wie ye en heba no. Me catch you. Value yourself no matter who you are. Value yourself. Ba gunu say you are there bi o wenye level. There be a level awo no. Sa hyiama na beta me matena ka so ada. Matena hyiama da. Madanta abodan mu da. Mada abonten da. Ya de dua so nyina da dua so made ache edua. Matena tema new town da. Matena tema community 5. Matena tema community 2. Makwatena kuma se kakra. Me ma bobra. Ma hustle. Yesi nungwa na metie. Me nyam ko trazako. Nti anya se me ha me ho. Ebre ni duru se obetra death track kwa. Edwo de ne ho beba. Empre wo mo. Mempre wo ho. Why? Na value ohun nyefo value yourself. Na kwa benya zongo atena. You go get zongo stay. Wo benya zongo na watena. Abiso bia we East Lagos ni zongo. Hefa na e what try there. East Lagos ni Nima. Hefa na unya Nima ntena. Me places ada me ni je ho. Na benya tema new town. Dem bia wani age. Every day omwani age. Oh, baby, oh, environment say a level there, but baby, oh, how to say environment is okay. You need to walk. Life goes on. Life goes on. To be rich, it's not what you gain. It is what you save. Timinuya, suya said ye dibia, ye jibi. Me too you to nefo. Jiweni, chill, peer, fall in love. Somebody will break your heart. So you to learn how to break people's hearts as part of life. Who break your big heart, a crime and you're strong in life. But never lie. Never cheat. Never steal. Be sincere in everything you do. Yade ase wu kofia. Wadwen any soul. What damn paswa. They will relax. Some people sleep, but their brain is still awake. They can't even sleep. When they are on their bed, their brain is still thinking because in the day, no, the soul doesn't like it. Because you be say, but you have club, one kontokwa, one kwa bottle, one kwa jege, and a boys are dear biaba, made you one mentiasia. Oh, kwa club, oh, ko pool, oh, ko outing. Why wouldn't you say when your bar, whooping, one for bar nibianko? Obedient again, ba. Now, excuse me, can I talk to you for a minute? Now, me na me do obanda ba meji mi o. Adam ye small girls e do we kogu swimming pool mu a. Small boys bi egu pool nim. Aba se ono ba be kire me small girl ni edwale. Be mia, na se bra wo hwa me sa do ye ho. Wo hwa me sa do ye. Ba bi asie durimu animie, wo ko pooli. O common sense chira say wo nyo ba obemia wo pu nim fe bi ko wo de wan fe bia nkokra de talankul your guest libia omomo abo mo ho nomonam tu wo hwa ba ko be flash wo no nko na wa approach ba wo sa de oni guy na bai ensa ga yi no mi obi na etua kiba bi obi na toma why we ni sa krantie ni boy yi balance kakra hwim opayela e kwaje number. Mo kan bi na mba ni bi jimu sike di bumu kwasia no mo kan bi because oba bi o a wo yes sad no the number ma wo tum se wo wagimi ti na adwin na sa kwa no wagimi menom no won say go aya ma get na de wadane mobile money boy a wo ne phone so kra we save you number 8 wo number no we save no ATM awo unim say the again na save you number kra nka wo yemu ahye guess no o save boys ni di ATM Obi save be the fool. Obi save be mobile money boy. Obi save be Obi save be we power because boy no boy aduma. Ebi so save be Siato. na ba we save na ba ko I guess wuti body na slay queens wuti body we save be pizza boy just o pe pizza di anofra wo and we save be World Bank and we save be saving salons and be carpenter ja o get bia o e ya so da gini phone na kai say o be so hwe say de we save you number no bra o hu de we save you number o mfre ne biom we kwai save the banchi o bu say we jimi che bibia we wi ase ei emai asam o ja mi hu me dia ya tro my love na me say ja me dem my ye we are my love dia bra we win tournament oh ewi ase aha na agi eni oh aha na agi eni ewi ase abra hwe aha won se niam bi ne de akekere ye ho anka wi ase ye kunu se de etire wi ase abra ewi ase ye de na me ka be kire wo why na guy ne boy no ewi ase ye do why no aso be ye adwumaden ubesua se de save ubeye sincere unintro obey sincere in everything you do, in your relationship, in your dating, with your neighbors, at work, with your parents, with your friends, everywhere you go obey dino kre bini ya kan ye save your number ofui ya ye save your number lunch boy wono na call lunch we are na simple ba yo Kristo ni ya yo Kristo ni ye sincere Sunday wakwa asole menju obi wan adwembone ye save obi number benku en tilapia ye say o duru wa medi benku ni tilapia na guess no so na abananse amdo mu yefunu na nam aduane amunanya agbonashi amunanya bibia ga yi bedi aduane bia no be ko kasa mempe oh. Don't look down, don't take people for granted. They be American, nipa no mpena, jane manenko. Don't waste anybody's time. Don't waste anybody's time. Free the mind. Adwumboni we bini mutrim too much. And I'm who say keche otu nyumi. We share the status. Na keche. Wa share Kofi Kinata. The new song. And I was share. And I'm saying these are the kind of people we need in our society. Or no musician no. Or promoting new musician. These are the people we need. Nye what the piano open the downfall of somebody. Shatawale dia ni showbiz. O me adwuma ni mu aye de. Na fire bem to o ano de ntokwa na obeku owu nku o de ntokwa na bayenko. Blows bi anim e me adwuma ni mu aye de. E refer ni showbiz. O te nche na bufu o no te de o ya ase. So what you say? But yem promote yemia. Yem push yemia. Unu ya yade na ya piano mane nko unu ya yade na ya piano mane nko unu ya yade na nya na wa frɛ ne nkyɛn na wetu ne fo na wa motivate no na we push ne forward efe ne ye koyenim na nsɛm te sɛ Black Star amanfo keka sɛ Kodwa Samoa o say the day are you and aye ne duro Ghana fo e bi kura Kodwa Samoa nka hwe Ghana fo kuru ya ana Ghana fo ye amammofo sa Tony Yabua any way abedipele abreso ye Ghana for and akwa campo abedipele won the team and Tony Yabua and fine kosi omu ye yanka bu create confusion e dey amade bi ayu any Asamoah because of captain ade free your mind uji tum so betu adro na ebenye we benya uji tum so betu adro na nyawa enyan oh badi batama committee 1 osemala me kroma bosum kwende ma adwen nya adwuma bosum ediban wodi so amekafa na meedi onya me hwe ne gidie no enya na hwe wan kasa we pollutu mind no so obi na eyame ena obi na ato medro ena da na matade amesi am ehu atade no bi kura atade a wusi ya wo hata yi ahoma na enya wo nko na wo hata ne ma wo so eri ahofo hata ne ma entie bi obi yi ne ne ma ena oyi o boxers yi de ka wo boxers atiti we ode kwa yede no akọ rade nyankopon we box ame hata ye wo de kwa meduru obi anya wo he se wo bi mpo e de adwen ne be faaye so akọ akoye obibi na wo wadwen mu no universe no the brain attracts everything enti ade bi a brain ni gitum bia no it will be attracted to you Me start M Global. Me ko M Global. Ubi so bi M Global. Ma scatter record the woman nyina. Me duru ko pen me catch am come to create an army. Me duru pen me say within 1 year me to me car. Am pam matoka. Me papa want to car but my better car. That is life. Believe in yourself and work towards it. According to quantum physics, anything you believe has already happened. Work towards it. Unkwa fie no nkwa na ofia beyifo unkwa ufie e na beyifo ja samwaja na fia beyifo ni ho o man pay na do fia beyifo ni ho chata wale fia beyifo ni ho sa akodi fie celebrate from wajiji din Bill Gates ni fia beyifo ni ho. Stop blaming na beyifo na enye pastors de e wa dwene da oti na make a kire e mentality na wukra na push you to prayers no because him say beyifo beyo e na wu chinchin asofo so sa no. Change the mentality. You are what you think. You are what you eat. So what you are what you think. You are what you eat makes you, and you are what you think. The way you think is who you are. Believe in yourself. Juhudi. Membu ho bonfia. So hu yefo. So hu yefo. Ade ba kwa mepe akrobeto ho ne say akrobeto. Otna ase no hu se na hwene ne so. Eno na Ghana for the debate din atem. Eno no atu ne hu din say who knows tomorrow. Or kaso se minim se me hwene ne so. Waji atu. E de na be ka bi. Say si akrobeto am wati asese na hwene ne so. Jide na debate din atem bi. Simple as that. Who ya fa dem so who ya fe. Who ye hu am se who ye hu. Madam fu gba bi aboaje. Ono tumi hwehwe se gurade me hu. Simple as that. Pamu na achew. Know your level. Don't look down upon yourself. There will be a kosoye. Once you know said there will be legal, a putty, as long as I will something that puts food on the table and keeps you alive, do it with clear conscience. Take very good care of yourself. So, my timbambo be anim, and yet is any abema kumewood way. Guy no omo agwo ne se kan yakunu no o man no protection bi anim. What a club, what a night club, what hey obi pipe bottle pe brother asole ko fa aka na kofie men ko di memasem pa chawo onye kila budo mu kurewu kumasi budo kurewu na tie futu amede ma wo wo baabi uti hey safety first pe baabi gina me meti baby na meti hey baby me kwako ginansa me bisa say den na ekoso yem kura be hyew son ho na nkwan ye de son ho yo baby okura nko me say baby say bitch occasion day me nko da occasion pool occasion day dom ho me nko ho da e da na any occasion day Tuesday Wednesday any occasion no ma pe me small machine na me na ko swimi din we am about fie oti don case die obi ho baby adede wo baby antokwa wo ya jeji amanfo phone no e ho no di iPhone X ne ko flex wa program wo mo ye shatawale program o ye renable programming o kwa common sense small girl wo free e mata he ko awoko fa iPhone ni tu fie na yisim no fehye yam na feko ye gi yam na iPhone de fie e ho no okotwa selfie ase punu to achi ana no won se agi phone e free winsem a what wa fe na wo chinchin mema super fofofro baby e common sense wo koda nim so ne killers na e ko dia problem bi ani wo kodum so ne area killers woni ashiama killers ni ma killers na na mo a or the fact you are safe nobody can fool around you cause so mu body na e ba na obi abela balance madwini nya adwuma adwini anya adwuma body ne bre onyanfo oba ye oba bi okra me nko wo be kokra sonson wo ho learn how to sonson your body na baby na yi yanim. Hey, Mabao, Minia, hey, now there some, you there some, scabbing at the beef, you there some for what? You there some for what? The Jenny Koy anymore. Yo, catch on. Abrabon, you're born in stages. Why? Small boy, don't make a child. Small boy. We started born and saying, Shitty our queen. Quijiti aye bibi what asamoa ja no kran you setting the day are you kran you set the day are you kran you setting know your level what starting bob hwe Messi hwe Salah hwe Mo Salah eti be anyway Lewandowski o se wan Obama young hwe ti away bobo papa bia bo ya wunnim bo ena eme ya wunnim bo break and pass a cranye. We koyiti and a what die and a what shas madimian also what their division. Bra Unimbo look simple. Make money via bra. Hey, after making the money, hey, so bet you when you hey, say ubet you wafunu, hey, say ubet tattoo, uhio and phobia. Sometimes your appearance kasa a lot about you. Your appearance scratch, let's say you are proud, you are arrogant, you want to respect. Koi umbuadie sana ye de bia ye wo ye to ye no continent de bia firi no sana tie ti minu yom boy misraw ti no koyi look simple, he normal haircut. Oh lie me no bia de abia nche din na work on your touches. Oh oh yawo Brandon e beba abrasikana ba won what dance all artists dance all industry na Shatawale New Stone Boy freezy way boni bi anim you can be the next big thing in Ghana I believe but me aye ba me started gradually me who guy we article simple guy article me ko hunu wo ebro mo ye boxing Bukom arena ho Asamoah Gyan yi na me koto simple guy article one ngenge simple who break it through hit wie ebeda go top of the chart ebeda 1 to 4 ho na fei kokoko shows won kokoko Switzerland UK no ni ade eba na fei we yuti bi adai kakra claim it say we shatter mo level na jai wo bia ni unipo kwami you Jesus ya den opa wanye Kwesiata then Kwesiata mpu simple guy Kwesiata simple guy ye interview guy here ne dress on the talk achesa akwa onwemfo ba oye onwemfo ba obi no ka no Kante Chelsea Kante kwa hwe ni tie we calm down bro brafom o how peja wo hododo peja wa beti afia adwa magi adwe brafom o onwemfo ba so maame no papa ba bi o mo da hwe Kofi Kinata no sraw adwa ujudin wo social media dodo ujudin and then we puto and then we you no and then we begina ho and then we cry phone wo so phone ya nya wo dia omemfo ba e bia meka say ade a wo de to social media wo de to status bia no hunu say your parents are watching buhu kakra ujudin Sage ya fela makafu yo se fela onso yiyi ne ho rof new guy obefa ebony yi kra defense kra Gwendishe ojo ororo ne ho sa onsa de no ojo okatakata ne ho kakra we di be wa jo kra wa na nimu area wo te kra obi enimu uji udin chape chane beto na boys natural oh baby oh my crush oh sweetheart okay say you are making it in life ugu woni mu ase susunro social media na wonji yo mo ro mo amanfo hwetua ka wo de go free asai papa adwa mafia wasai papa manfo ro mo amanfo ko hwetua ka wo ro ho free ya chona kam we sha asem they are making money mo we sha no tra the man you na dwen efia so asene ga ho mo bobre o tna ho whether they are fooling or what, or make it with what they did on social media. I know when you guess be a boys, ya be no Shantabudemu Nungwa, what the location, no why Dutch hotel. Dutch hotel now, Yusuf. Abdullah Yusuf. Dutch hotel. And then Tabudan and our channel now. Why location Dutch hotel? Dutch hotel now, bro. Oh, I pull one do or we on 4 back. Who bet to your Dutch hotel? Wait. No, they're better at a coded location. We need baby as well. Shantabudani. At times I say, you fly the kakra, but won't. Man, yama, a man for the way you are not. Because at times, so commando, no flexi, posy, oh, no, be my name more, and I'm better at Yasiam. Obi Okrasika, I dear Sumano, so one friend Koto Bank. No, trust selfie. What, with hashtag more money. Money they call me for my brain. Where Shatawali? Oh, you sure say money they call you for your brain. Sika, obi sika, obi sweat money. Yeah, dear man said J. Fakoto Bank. Oh, the above was say at a coded location. Money they call me for my brain. That bay now by we are here. Money I call you for your brain. Catch them, boss. Mepamu nyina achew sremo me kasa no me ankasa me femu aba editu me amehofo mepamu nyina achew memo biem look down upon you here way boy ni so ompe biomu walk out of that guy's life, be proud of who you are. Ofrewa biomu guy no so ompe no kasa rough no ofrewa biomu ka chen say boss may no be better than you. Be proud of who you are. Memo be looking down upon you, sir. Get no catch us say we know be no kasa rough no. Ofrea. Be proud, sir. Oh, my dear, is okay. Move on with your life. Be proud of yourself. Oh, yes, a man for respect you. Men cheap you want some man for looking down upon you. Ubia you be. When so you be some prebiasa. A real see one will be any jini being home. Or be one near Wakasimi being born. When will be on only Akasami being born that or be the jini being who said with all due respect. She said the Otibiano who so you'll be. Oh, Yeniba, Oko status. Maybe what church was for commodore or be sick or Sefakoto Bank. Sika their mouse said Chikokoto Bank. Would the better picture better say money they call me for my brain. That then our money calling for your brain. Shatawale courageous are there now. Generation wo media, social media name may be mu too much. Oh. One man 40 social media. I'm the social media making money. What you want to watch the way? What is social media? You don't cast a paper. Na Facebook bloggers na mo konto kwa munya you Ghana for no ye gui ni wani asero do. Facebook bloggers for na atembidie. Ko Kumasi nyame page. Ko Biscout page. Ko Sister Mandy page. Ko ebinu page. Na ko hwe nyansasam a omuka omu page. Nyanko pan dom ubetina Facebook. Utumenya nipa 200 ehwew. Utumenya nipa 400 ehwew. Utumenya nipa 1k na usu di bedidi wunu atemu a. Uki pad no fort wo. Munya de moye no. De me yaye Ghana fo ni bia munya chance akwakotena bruchire ebi wo UK. Ebi wo Canada, ebi wo US. But na Facebook atemdidie biabo ni se bie jimisam. Abragana forte wasanka makotena bruchire no. Mubeke nyansasam die tu echirimba ne Ghana fo wo fie fo no. Ya de enwe yo social media. Metumi ko na mo ayi am ebi mu didi atemu a mo share de ma me no. Sankofo no wo de obi share sa de ne bi ma mbom. So obi didi obi atemu o share ma me. Me am nya personal attack. De minimum na me kira ma dwen. One me nya adwen a ka so ne me nya adwen. Ene mo a mo ko obi platform so na mo didi atem no. Me ka kira mo. Wo ko obi platform so no didi me avram atemu a emfa ho. Don't insult the person. Sa so for abodwe se no. Eya CSF ni because we lesson bi at times in semi omo kan me being your leader no ya but don't insult obiara na adwenkyere wo si minimu nyansa to ono no si magimi an opinions are like onions. You can plant them anywhere but not at somebody's backyard. As simple as that. Opinion it say onion baby apebi akodua enye obi de echi na akodua opinion na me de bia de megidie ne say asema ye kan wo social media e da all forever o ye de ko to YouTube e da all forever echirima beba behwe. They will know this is a wise person and this is a foolish person. When take it and that wa nana Facebook I would say in some weekend when nana everybody can say me nana we Jimmy o. And one day I know me my descendant will one day watch my videos and they will say I am proud to have Avram bin Moshe as my great grandfather. One day you remember this video. Why? CSF, Madam Masi. Why? Omedum light. A ready budget in the year light off. Why? Need your foot to any motivation. Madam Mungina say why? Madam Masi. Know your level. Why? Level I want a techno leveler. Kuta. Why? A Infinix kuta. You Infinix need you ne techno nibia. Ne camera quality no iPhone cramba. I don't know pro hosa. Say iPhone here waterproof. You the coon so I say, Yanam. Are you a fish? Who the phone the coon so I see acquire the hey, a dim crania. Yanam, who your tuna? And now ya o ye tilapia. O compare the won't see when I say. Guy beside the phone here. A fake iPhone. Or do run so as you appear for in and baby you have for him. Oh, pro guy be what was circle. Mini say Yalio. What was circle to phone shop in the sea hall. Omo mukuta showcase ne jina ho. Wa anko ho. Oh, call guy be the which say, oh boss, iPhone X. Give me 1,000 Ghana, make I take give you. But your iPhone X, yet on 1,000 Ghana. A nibrenti 1,000 across out to so back 400. Now, I say for 400 black. All the phone man also people they here. Make we go the corner inside. Well, so what I'm Bobadia show with him one. After we see fear before a nibreni adrum bonnet. A nibre any adrum bonnet. Any idea abubana ma na sa guy no ma abubana kra no o se nyankopon kra sa bon aba so se hira no say wa expose we ni brini for exposing a wicked person. The bia wenyi aduri iPhone X ye dey ma 400 Ghana fifre atwanki sa pepa fifre say menya iPhone X 400 Ghana. Anyway we here. You know what those people do? They use your greediness against you. Omu yusu wa we ni no against you because we ni bring. Da me kwa guy be the mechi chale boss I get gold. I'm say aboa wo sese kusiese. Wo we ni we no na wo free wo gold da. Say me beji gold. Are sacred ton gold ho. Ana sacred diamond house. Man for pechip side too much. Pediafo. You see a chrono you change a friend connection. Such as some connection phone count. In the law court, the Friday be aiding and abetting. Do we know what to and we know for stolen goods now on Brejayo. Brejai, I wouldn't in American same way. Stolen goods now. You could real laptop, no idea. Stolen goods now on the jai. Joe, yeah, man, your home for ba, and crocra mu, and your home for ba, name yet to my ding. Everything comes back to hard work. Medical catch them. Obian pesusu box. Get no pizza now, Toman no fashion. Get any pizza, Dodo, and let it be any pizza. A once in a blue moon, one box. Pam on the box to go every day. There be any Jenny. There be any chili. There are dream ochina. Sika na ye de bia na beba. Sika enye de bia na eba. Sika mpe rough. What Sika wo mpe rough. Unya kakra ku se de kipi. dia ye wo wi ase ne se wa ba be nyeska na ho aba be kire wo esa wo ye hin kura chen obi a we wi a wo we nyeska pen wo wi nam nyina no ewura ho fo hwe wo kire wo na be boa ai na ma bebre ko frim ekoji sike duru no misra wo learn how to save e duru tam be chele ya chele da mo na se why CSF mo share video no why da ma so china so be ba why da ma se mo ready budget nti ya tete de wo maka ni na ma se ya quantum pendant no ni ade ne your product ni aim global why mba join amazing business why na yenko ye ne be program o connection and say aim global ye be say ko no Groveland hotel afi na ye ho toto ye why youth no mon sole nye de bia na ye kwotena get to bra there be you boys ni bi ho area mo create be fe the parliament osola no pa no kwotena ho obeto spa na wasresa bra o se wotiri mu adwene ba wotutu adwene no bra ba che wo wo abofra be wiase o wo abofra abe wiase pe bibi na ye o da dodo be ma wo pen na se o da sa sola no pastor wise hey do that yo what da wo endra wo da nine and aju nine now die what soli no pa nine wo sanse wa bre eju abe no wa bre no any hard work learn how to be proud of yourself why but I'm not say why manye kokko mommy risky bella CSF ladies me hu ya kwesi ana na me hu Philip Jesse why nana kreda ku Emmanuel my son ya nana BA pentop pentop me hu lawyer ba fuboni me hu nyina why but I'm not say CSF why ya some best GH me hu on share video no mind but I'm not say why chiam nyina why na obi an hwe ne hu ye why December na eba no why December na eba no December dura hwe ni ho ya na ya say December abo nipa be wu sa energy na you put it out there no dey ku nipa no enya we put negative energy in December yen fi ye trim moto we me hu so mo patches mo ye patches Ghana for ye patches too much mo nya kwan ni ye na mo nya ye patches mo ba no man kan se mo be patch road mo so be ye kwan no every day ye patch road adan every day patching road ye kwan ni ye say 1 kilometer na say ya mo be dwiri so nya ne ye say de kwan nkruma mo nya ne papa wo de ka ko bata gbegbedu ayanso ye de te de nam Ghana ka kwan so menko smooth da e ma ka ne nko ma won ti so ti mo beti wo ka gbegbedu na wo ka nyina say ade na sa we John Kifo na mo fili potos no so munyai mo kra mo kana mo say kwan sa deja abai no mo fili sen sa ko so be brutal bu ado mo na eh urade ya wo mba bia asi o urade omo potos empo sa abai employees ankrofo no tira mo fili potos no omo ya de pa sa ankrofo se na abai wa gadom we create potholes filling junkies association so potholes back on the 7 years na filling one potholes every day no mujina ho no mukita shovel brother make I chop something ever say brother you don't see say you with the feel make we chop some coins na guide you ashama and the bridge or no ya ne den wo beje wo no boss you don't give me I no go beg you go challenge this money where we can do potholes back 7 years of feeling it. Some people you are disgrace to your parents when I come to them 9 months ya kola ma me awu ababi ase ade a wonum good ni pedue mu yi wo mpe hwe de ode wa bra bo hwe baby agudina oh yeah de na body ni mpa jai stupidity is knowing the truth seeing the truth and still believing in a lie ade ya ina yin wo ghetto committee 5 animal kingdom ko udi animal kingdom na your park if you find a Shewers Park if you are not a shower you no go play ball for them you want be about say hey Ali you be shower I don't say you no be shower this park you be Shewers Park hey chale ni bro boss ni bro yeah won sha mo bo so ada me kana nyon nkwa na wo shi digimi sa no nyon nkwa na wi no no woni metitiro fa no wi num chese jimi ensa nyon nkwa na anom ensa num chese jimi wo chichale da mu nyina se why ade no hwe na enye wa na wajaye ade na enye wajaye simple enye wajaye da mu nyina se why da mu se CSF da mu se o kire be di nkomo why chale 25 phone bi online ya ble o hwe le trao animal kingdom be kona abo bi e ne wani pa nko a e online o ye kobre wo e wo zibre ina o enye izo chale da mu nyina se why da mu nyina se why enye jumade na tema for chami abi tema boy o abi tema boy citizen check for tu chama mo why be page na nsen ya why tema for in the building ti me da mu nyina se why okay bye TM for life yeah madam nyina ase yeah benke me ho yeah anti gifty usi soap ye soap no whatsapp me why whatsapp me number is 024485 smooth packer 0244856241 madam nyina ase why bye know your level why shatter topic bye madam yeah Manny Anderson but that's it why bright kisi yeah me ho nyina ndawase me nyina ase yeah Idris Baba me ho yeah te yeah Osei Peter yeah Evans Mensa yeah me ho nyina why Kweku Aban me ho yeah Mutala Sai nyina ase na wase bebre why kojo anye kojo te die yeah oyine ba mu akotofo oyine ba patro from sesi a why oyine ba from sesi a me no won komo bi why yeah pen top me hu yeah Lavet me hu yeah Dada you me hu yeah Kwesi Rich me hu yeah Charity Mensa me hu da mu nyina se by CSF